Hey folks, Chris here, and I'm doing something I've never done before. It's a propane water heater. I'm pretty sure this thing came out of a carpet cleaning machine, wherever it came from. We're going to tear it apart. Like I said, never done one before. I've done plenty of water heaters, but not one of these little instant ones. What's exciting me is inside is full of copper. So we're going to spend a few minutes tearing it apart and see what we get out of it. These are the items that make scrapping fun again. You know, that was a score finding this. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you took something out of it. Subscribe if you want. I don't really care. I'm not looking for the views and this and that, and especially with the new YouTube parameters. I'm not going to make any money at this, so I don't really care. Comment below if you liked it. If you didn't, I don't care. Big boy, I can take it. So until next time, and I'm always going to end with a little disclaimer.
Keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.